I have a number of clients around the country who like to combine the use of the limited liability company with the use of various kinds of trusts for estate planning and asset protection. We have a number of options in that regard, and I'll be glad to discuss it with you. For purposes of privacy protection, many clients who are real estate investors will use the Real Estate Privacy Trust and have the beneficial ownership held by an LLC domiciled in Nevada, even if they live in another state. This will give them the best of both worlds. They have a high degree of privacy of ownership, and they have beneficial interests passing to an LLC that will pass through to them the tax advantages of property taxes, depreciation, and income. Another method of privacy and asset protection is to combine the use of a limited liability company where the ownership or the majority of the membership is held by a wealth preservation trust or a multi-generation dynasty trust. This can be a very effective combination. Of course, where the LLC is owned by a wealth preservation trust, a dynasty trust, or a real estate privacy trust, you want to have a trustee that you have the confidence will act as a proper fiduciary, realizing that they are bound by the terms of the trust. And the trustee is a key player in all of this. Whether it's a real estate privacy trust, a wealth preservation trust, or a multi-generation dynasty trust, we want to use it in combination with the LLC for greater protection and for better privacy and for the assurance that things will go in distribution just like you want it. A very nice way to go for many clients is to use the LLC in combination with a Nevada Asset Protection Trust. Now, we cover the Asset Protection Trust in another segment on our video series, and I hope you'll take a look at it. It can give you superior protection that must be recognized by the courts of other states. Now, sometimes people will have their own name as the manager of an LLC, and that's perfectly all right. However, you might make use of the Nevada Privacy Management Trust, which we cover in a separate segment. Where the Nevada Privacy Management Trust is the operating manager of your LLC, whether or not you live in the state of Nevada, you can have a much higher degree of privacy combined with the asset protection of a Nevada limited liability company, and this can be a great combination. So now, for an example, let's bring it all together. Let's say that you're a real estate investor and you have various properties that you want to protect. You could certainly use a real estate privacy trust to own those properties, with the beneficial interest passing over to an LLC domiciled in the state of Nevada, even if you don't live there. That way you have the privacy of ownership, you have the privacy of protection, and you have the higher degree of asset protection offered through the state of Nevada. But by combining it with a Nevada Privacy Management Trust, you really have both levels protected. Now, I know I've given you a lot to think about in this short segment on using the LLC for privacy, But believe me, when it's combined with the use of other entities such as the Real Estate Privacy Trust, the Wealth Preservation Trust, the Dynasty Trust, or the Nevada Asset Protection Trust, you've got a great degree of privacy, protection, and assurance that things will be distributed according to your instructions. I'm Attorney Michael Potter, and if you've got questions, I look forward to hearing from you.